Can I get a kiss? Mwah. How about one a little bit louder? Can I get a real kiss? Huh? I know. Are you sweet, baby? Are you my sweet baby? Are you my sweet baby? Some head scritches. Some head scritches. Oh, that feels so good. Oh, that feels so good. Yeah, the macadoo. Yes, the macadoo. How come when I gave you celery this afternoon, you threw it in the floor of your cage? Can you tell me? It was. I thought you liked celery. I know. Was it too big? Because you eat the inside out of it and leave the outside. Was it too big of a piece? What about the cracker I gave you? Did you not like that either? I'm sorry, I didn't understand you. Did you like a cracker? Well, what did you do with it? All right, bye.